My name is Ben Andersen. I live in Central Fresno. I found the SunPower Design Studio, just a simple Google search. I think I probably clicked on the official SunPower site because it said something about some kind of design tool, which ended up being the Design Studio. And so I started poking around with it, and then I decided I'll get my wife involved. So I put it on the laptop and brought it out to the front room, just sat on the couch. I was able to bring in the Design Studio tool on multiple tabs and bring up each one of the scenarios that both of us had in our minds. On the tool, you could see how much space it was going to take up on your roof. I didn't want to put the panels in inefficient spots, and so what we could do is kind of ramp up the amount of wattage per panel, and then that would drop the amount of panels that were on the roof. And I could see that on the Design Studio app. So it was really important to us to see how many panels, and you could see how many panels you needed based on your scenarios and the type of panels that you decided on, and look at all of those scenarios kind of at the same time and weigh them all at the same time. That was really important. It was really nice to be able to see all of the information that we needed right at our fingertips. It was nice to be able to have that kind of freedom and that control over the different scenarios.